Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, hello there, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more of me and be part of the family. So for today's video, I've got a makeup tutorial for you guys. I filmed this eye look which has a golden and bronze eye and also a nude lips. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So my eyes are already primed, and the first color I'm going in with is Real Gar from Anastasia. I'm going to take this color using the Bdellium Tools brush, and I'm gonna apply this everywhere. This is gonna be like my base color where everything is gonna be just blend on top. So I'm just buffing this all over my crease, on my lid as well, just all over the place. Now I'm going in with this color Primavera from Anastasia using this Bdellium Tools, and I applied it into my inner lid area. And then I'm gonna move on to this color Cypress Umber from Anastasia using this Bdellium brush, and I apply this into my outer lid area, then blend it well to avoid harsh line. Now I'm going in with my MAC Strobe Cream Hydratant Luminox to prime and hydrate the skin. And I applied it all over my face. And then for foundation, I really wanted kind of like a flawless foundation look, so I went in with Estee Lauder in the shade Stone, which turns out good, and I'm using the e.l.f. brush and blend it all over. I'm gonna move on to concealer. Today I'm using Touche Eclat Radiant Touch Concealer, and I'm using and the shades 1.5, and I'm just going to apply this right under my eye, my forehead, my nose, and my chin. To blend the highlight, I'm just using the gesso brush to blend that out. So now I'm gonna take Earthspan Loose Face Powder and I apply it all over the areas that I highlighted. Now to create like a smoky eye effect, I'm gonna take Cypress Umber from Anastasia and I apply it underneath my eyes and begin to blend it out. And now I'm wiping it away the powder using the Bidelium brush. Next, I'm gonna go in with my blush on. Today, I'm using Dandelion from Benefit Check Parade and I'm using the Bidelium brush. Then next for my contour, I'm using Hola from Benefit Chic Parade using my Bidelium brush. Then I'm gonna take this Ulta Gel eyeliner and I apply it into my upper waterline area. So next, I'm gonna go in with Becca for my highlighter. And then I'm gonna take the automatic lip color and the shades Bloom. And now to complete this makeup look, I'm gonna go in with this Nude Lip Tar Matte from Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics. So here's the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a very big thumbs up and like, comment down below, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And as always, guys, this is Christina saying goodbye, and I see you on my next video. Bye, guys.